We work everywhere, across countries, teams, and goals.
It's a real challenge to keep communication flowing smoothly.
Keeping up with messages and deadlines feels overwhelming.
Is there anything more intimidating than a blank page?
But where do you begin?
Now more than ever, having the right tools to work faster and smarter together is key.
When you're doing research and juggling tight deadlines, finding the right info quickly changes everything. With GPT Workspace and Docs, we get a solid draft in seconds and more time to focus on the actual message.
When you're developing a pitch or a deck for a client and you're coming up with ideas and you need to visually manifest those ideas, that used to take days. Now it's done in hours.
I needed a quick overview for a report. GPT Workspace built the structure, found the right data format, and gave me a solid starting point, all in one click.
Reading through pages of customer feedback? No thanks. GPT pulls the key insights and turns them into headlines I can actually use.
I used to be overwhelmed by all the emails I was getting. Now I get a summary, a suggested reply, and all I have to do is tweak and send.
GPT Workspace didn't just speed us up, it changed how we work together.